Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the speed of your video on the IntroTube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Double tap on your video and slide to the right side till you find this speed icon and tap on it. Here you can find a bunch of options on this slide. So if you would like to set the speed, just tap on the relevant circle, and this red circle or button indicates which one you have chosen. If you want to check out how it sounds and looks like, just simply tap on the play button in the middle of the screen. If you are done with it, tap on the check mark icon down below, and then your video is being processed, as you could see. So now you can save it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.